Peace, beautiful being, and welcome back to Collective Light. Just finished your workout. This 10-minute stretch is intended to help with tight shoulders, open up your chest, and lengthen your arms so you recover better and feel better tomorrow. This is perfect after lifting, push-up days, pull-up days, or any other upper body workout. So go ahead and grab your mat and let's get started. Begin in a comfortable, easy seated position, and we'll bring awareness to our breath. Bring your arms down by your sides. Inhale, reach the arms to the sky. And exhale to cactus your arms, open up your heart. And bring your arms back to center, inhale. And exhale, bring your arms back down. Regulating the breath will count here as you inhale, rise, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, cactus your arms for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, lift your arms back to the sky. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, bring your arms all the way down. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last time, inhale, rise. 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, cactus. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Come into a tabletop. Plant your palms underneath your shoulders. Hips right over your knees, shoulder and hip width distance apart. And bring your left palm to the center of your mat as you inhale, reach and extend your right arm to the sky. Exhale, thread the needle and bring your shoulder down onto the mat. You can hook that left hand behind you, but really focus on relaxing, making any minor adjustments here in that bottom arm. And take a few rounds of breath. In through the nose and out through the nose. Take 2 more breaths here. Then plant that left palm back down. Use your inhale to reach your arm to the sky, lengthening here. And exhale, plant your palm. Right palm comes to center. Inhale, reach your left arm to the sky. Exhale, thread the needle. Bring that left shoulder down. Option to hook that right hand behind your lower back and make any adjustments in that bottom shoulder. Relax your ear and breathe here. Take 2 more breaths. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the nose. 1 more round of breath. Then replace that right palm down. Inhale, reach your arm to the sky. Exhale, bring your palm down. Then begin to walk your palms forward, keeping those hips stacked over your knees. Walk all the way down. You can melt your heart towards the mat. Maybe your chest comes all the way down and your forehead follows. Maybe you have flexibility to bring the bottom of your chin onto the mat. Wherever you are, melt your upper body down. Relax in the shoulders. Take a few rounds of breath.
Take one more deep inhale through your nose. Exhale through your nose. If your chin is on the bottom of the mat, first place your forehead down and then walk your palms back. Come to a seated position, either on your shins, or you can be in a cross-legged position if that feels good. Use your inhale to open up the arms. And exhale, bring your right arm underneath the left. You can come to a bear hug here, maybe scooting your fingertips closer together behind you. Otherwise, if you see that your elbows are stacked here, you have the option to interlace your palms, coming to an eagle stretch. If your palms are interlaced here, whether they're interlaced or not, inhale to lift your elbows to shoulder height. And if they are interlaced, exhale, press your palms away from you to stretch a little more in the tops of your shoulders. And take 3 rounds of breath. In through the nose, out through the nose. 2 more rounds on your own. After your last round, inhale, unwind, open up your arms, lengthen, and exhale, bring your left arm underneath your right, maybe coming to that bear hug here, lifting the elbows up, or interlacing your fingers together, keeping those elbows at shoulder height. Use your exhale to press your palms away from your face here in this eagle arm stretch. And take 3 rounds of breath here on your own. Use your inhale to unwind, open up the chest, and exhale, bring everything down to center. And lift up onto your shins. Extend that right leg to the side. Use your inhale to reach that left arm up and exhale. Gate pose, stretch out that whole left side body here. If you feel yourself start to hinge forward, really open up your chest here. Use your inhale to rise. And exhale, bring that knee back to center. Then place that left foot to the side. Left hand comes down as you inhale, reach that right arm up. Exhale, over to the left. Hold and breathe. Keeping that chest expanded forward. And inhale, rise back to center. And exhale, come onto a seat. Bring your fingertips behind you. Feet are hips width distance apart. Use your inhale to press into your feet. Lift your hips, reverse tabletop. Expanding the chest, pressing into the palms and feet evenly here. Core is engaged as you draw your navel in. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, slowly lower back down. And extend your legs long in front of you. Interlace your fingers behind. Use your inhale to expand your shoulders. Exhale, hinge from your hips forward. Option to press your palms behind you to add more to that shoulder expansion. Inhale, slowly rise back up. Cross your legs, release your bind. Inhale, reach your arms to the sky. Exhale, bring your palms together at heart center. Take a deep breath in, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale from the mouth for 6, 5,
4, 3, 2, 1. One more. Inhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If this stretch helped your recovery, keep coming back to this after your workout. Consistency in recovery can change everything about your workouts. And if you enjoyed workouts like this or stretches like this, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification so that you know every time that I post a new video for you. Thank you so much for practicing, and good luck on your next workout.